them. They are all going to get this amazing opportunity to present their talent, their performances in front of our esteemed panel of judges and with all of you audience watching them as well. And the most interesting thing, tonight's going to be Ek, Do, Teen. That's right, we're going to have 3 winners declared and the winner number 1, the top winner, the top winning couple, unki to ding dang ding ding dang ding dang ding dang. Exactly. They're going to get this amazing opportunity to meet the dancing diva herself, and that is absolutely. They're going to get a chance to meet Madhuri Dixit herself right there on the sets of Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and they're also going to get a chance to perform in front of her. How cool is that? A huge round of applause for Colors, for our sponsors and the organizers of this event, Emirates Vision Events. The auditions on the 8th of June had an amazing response, and the 12 fantastic contestants are going to be presented with you in a few moments. Let me introduce to you our jury members. We have 3 fantastic personalities here who've flown in all the way from Bollywood to join us here tonight. Our first jury member is Meghna Naidu, well-known Bollywood dancer and actress. We've seen her on the big screen and the small screen. She's here with us tonight, adding the glamour and the style to this evening. Meghna herself is a very good dancer. She's the Kaliyon Ka Chaman girl, if you remember. Right, absolutely. So she is a fantastic dancer, and all of you dance lovers here in the UAE, I have some great news. Meghna's here for a 2-in-1 purpose. Yes, of course, she's here for Jhalak Dikhla Ja, as well as to launch her own dance academy here in Dubai. So welcome Meghna, welcome to Dubai, and thank you for joining us. Round of applause. Our next jury member, Rajiv Kinchi. He is a very well-known choreographer and trainer from Bollywood who has trained the Bollywood A-listers, right from Shah Rukh Khan to Hrithik Roshan to Akshay Kumar, the list goes on. Tonight we have stolen them away from the Khans, Kumars and the Roshans and brought him here to Jhalak Dikhla Ja to help us judge our contestants. And he is also the National Rajiv Gandhi Award winner for achievement. So congratulations and thank you Rajiv for having joined us. Welcome. Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Dancing with the Stars, and our next member on the jury, the last member on the jury, has done that all her life. Exactly. Smita Shanbag is the master instructor and choreographer of the Shyam Davar India International Private Limited. She has danced with the best of the best, and of course we all know about Shyam Davar. They are the ones who've been adding energy and color to every Bollywood awards night, whether it's a star night, a function, anything. It's not complete unless we have the Shyam Davar touch. So Smita, thank you for joining us. Yeah, you have fan following there. Yeah, great. Thank you. Alright, we've done the honors. It's time for us to move on with the actual competition. The first performance starting in a moment. Our first performers on the stage, the jury that comes on, is Anadika Paul Baghel and Karishma Paul Baghel. 2 extremely talented sisters. They have Kathak diplomas and over 11 years of training. They are 2 sisters who never fight. Wow, I find that hard to believe, but nevertheless. Absolute opposites. Karishma is grounded doing her architectural engineering, and Anadika is flying off to New Jersey to do aerospace engineering along with a double diploma in dance. Wow. Anadika is energy, Karishma is grace. Anadika is passion, Karishma is style. And this contrast is what they are bringing to the stage tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, their performance is depicting Shiva Parvati and a classic act that builds up to a tandav. Can we have a round of applause for the first contestants, Anadika and Karishma?
नयना भस्म अंग त्रिशूल डमरू गदे भुजंग उमा गौरी सदा संग भीमगिरी कैलास शृंग तांडव नृत्य अति उमंग मदन दहन विवत भंग धरत ध्यान ज्ञान रंग
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, our first performers for tonight, Anadika and Karishma. Now, who's Anadika and who's Karishma?
Karishma.
All right, you look like twins. Amazing. Okay. So basically, I think both of you have got diplomas in Kathak. That was a brilliant performance. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Tell me something. You both love Madhuri Dixit?
Yes.
Irrelevant question. Absolutely. What will be your reaction, your first reaction or your reaction if you do get the chance we're talking about tonight?
Well, it will be a dream come true since I know she is classically trained. So, well, this was a dedication for her, and I really hope she understands what we tried portraying in our performance for her.
All right, brilliant. Yes, that's true. She is classically trained, one of the most graceful dancers we have in Bollywood. And I think you both have a lot of that grace. All the very best to you. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Anadika and Karishma, the two sisters. Our next performance, Sajid Babu and Sarah Pinto. Wow. A lot of supporters there. All right. Okay, they've been dancing partners for over 8 years and they also share a very special bond. Sajid is an accountant who is from the world of numbers and always manages to find time for his dance numbers. And for Sarah, dance is her life.